This is Emily's mental computer is not for music. Yo, 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 yo. I'm not sure that I come out the waist. I'm not enough to fight off the virus. I'm just big. What the hell? Don't you agree that my brain is a computer? I'm not sure to fight off the virus. What the hell am I when I compute information? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure to fight off the virus. I know a goddamn match. I can tell that my brain is a computer. Yo, I know a goddamn match. I can tell these hoes that my brain is a computer. I know a goddamn shit. I could tell these hoes that my brain is a computer. I know a goddamn shit. I could tell these hoes that my brain is a computer. I'm not sure. I'm not sure to fight off the virus. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not strong to fight off the virus. Let me be. Listen to me to fight off the virus. Somebody named us somebody, I don't agree to them. Somebody named Nicole told me that my brain is not a I want my brain to be a computer. Listen to the fact how it's really not. I think computers make threats. When we swatting out a wrist, we on time. Yo. Wouldn't mind if I compute. Coming to the circuit, didn't mind if I compute. Run into far land. I'm not to fight off the virus. I'm not strong. No goddamn way I can fight off the virus. I'm not strong enough. I'm not strong to fight off the virus. Ain't no shame. Ain't no shame. Ain't no god freaking shame tonight. Download a virus. I should've got one. I should've got one. I should've got one. Mental firewall. This is how I go from the lie. I got one. Listen to me now. Ain't no Toby now, man. I don't get don't be. Let my mental computer have a virus. It's not fine. It's not. It's not okay. It's not powerful. Let it be rich. Go outside. I'm not. Let me listen to the things I say.